cat food recipes that are MEOWCHELIN star and nutritionist reviewed and approved. Today, we're going to talk about the best recipes that can offer the most natural, highly nutritious, and balanced meals for your pets. We can understand how to put together a meal that can keep your pets healthy and prevent diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, dementia, and chronic illnesses. These meals are suitable for young and elderly pets. Are your cats only being fed commercial cat food? Has this caused you to think that regular and daily intake of canned food for your cats are loaded with sodium and expensive? I have been a researcher on dietetics, immunology, and gerontology for almost 20 years. This is a conversation that I would happily discuss with my family and close friends. This is the number one best recipe that I certainly want to make for my own cats, Snow White, Snowflake, and Snowball. Making your own cat food from scratch is definitely a fabulous idea to add variety and better manage your kitties' diets and with special customization. We are here to shower extra love on your pets, and it is convenient and easy to prepare. Research has proven that cats in the wild historically and genetically love to hunt and eat live, raw food, being carnivorous. When evolution starts changing cats and domesticates them, they have a tendency to change their taste buds for cooked foods. In all our recipes, we ensure that a certain percentage of our specially chosen ingredients using professional and expert research knowledge are raw and the rest are cooked. Not only are these nutritionally balanced, the meals are super delicious and yummy. We specialize in VIP daycare, boarding, and training for dogs, cats, parrots, and small animals under Animals Club SG in Singapore, including guard dog training and guide dog training. We also organize events, indoor parties, outdoor picnics, Sentosa beach and park walks for cats and for dogs. Discover your pet's talent with talent training sessions that we customize for your pets. Our expertise is pet care in an Aircon, Spacious, Furnished, with pipe-in music, cage-free home. We can train your cats to be obedient like dogs. We can bring and train your cats to go for walks. Weekly curated pets culinary workshops and classes are also conducted at Animals Club Singapore for pet parents and their pets, one-to-one, and also online with certificates of achievements awarded to both the pet parents and their pets. Before I forget, follow me on Animals Club SG and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember to click the notification button to stalk us continuously. I repeat, to stalk, STALK. You're welcome to stalk us all the time. We are also on 8 other social media platforms. Today's recipe is named the Special Cat Seafood Galore. The ingredients list contains mostly fish and seafood of cooked marine fish in eggs, raw squids, raw shrimps, raw clams, fresh milk, either buffalo, cow's or goat's milk. You only need a chopper, grinder or a powerful blender. The complete balanced recipe is in our website. This recipe is specially formulated to improve the mental health and wellness of your cats. Your dairy is our darling too. I am Dr. Julie Angel Chan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to encourage me to produce more funny pet videos and cooking shows by giving a like.